Next up, another brand we're proud to have a selection of new stuff from Aux Manufacturing. I've got a bunch of their Coffin stuff right here. The Bowie XL frame lock is, yeah, it's one of those, man. It's one of those when you grab it, at least when I grab a knife like this, what I do is this. I can't explain it. I think it's pretty universal. Anyway, 4-inch blade, M390 steel, $349, titanium handles, sort of a wasp-waisted Coffin thing. I know they say Bowie, but I'm really seeing old school sharp finger, like that Skinner blade shape on here. I think it works together really, really nicely. Milled lines on the titanium, giving you plenty of grip, of course. Some cool little details here on the pivot to appreciate. Reversible milled pocket clip, hidden lanyard spot at the back, frame lock, big old flipper. I mean, that's a 4-inch blade there. Flips really nicely. It's not as like super insanely crisp as, well, the ZT44 there, but you're moving a lot of blade with that thing right there. Certainly flips nicely, don't get me wrong. It's just not that like super, super crisp. OEM on this is Miguron Knives, who are doing a really good job for the money especially. Although this is, again, not a cheap knife, $349. If you like the design language there, but don't have $349, I do have a sub $100 version here. Actually, well, I've got two of the standard size crossbar locking Coffin right here from Aux Manufacturing. You can get it with an aluminum handle and black PVD blade for $129, or G10 with the stonewashed here for about $99. And yes, you get the Bowie and the Tonto blade shapes available on either. Steel is 14C28N on both, 2.875, so 2 7/8 on the blade length. The crossbar works great, has good action with the thumb studs, good finger safe closing action, good wrist flick going on, and good reversible deep carry pocket clip as well, making this a fully ambidextrous design as well, or fully ambidextrously usable design for the pedants out there. I see you, I'm one of you, I get it. Anyway, that's the gray G10. The aluminum versions I think are really cool. You've got this kind of, it's like a hybrid between honeycomb and dragon scale for the pattern that just looks pretty nice. But apart from that, the same things apply. You got the good action, the good size, 3.5 finger grip for me, but it's a very broad half finger there at the back, which makes it feel kind of like a full grip, especially if I choke up just a little bit. I don't know, works nicely. We've also got an slip joint in the series. This one is coming in at $149. You got a 2.25-inch M390 blade in the Tonto profile. Very thin, very slicey Tonto profile here with titanium handles with the micro milling and a reversible milled pocket clip. Walk and talk, I'd say, is safely middle of the road right there. And I don't mean that in sort of a derogatory way. It's just not a hyper snappy action, but neither is it a like mushy, unsatisfying action. It is pure utility all around in how it operates there. And this is a 3-finger grip for me, I would say right there. Cool slip joint. You don't often see slip joints that look like this. Maybe you'll see more now that Aux is on board.